Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Uber is launching new bonuses for drivers. We're going to talk about that today. This channel is the Rideshare Hub for Uber and Lyft drivers mainly, and also delivery drivers. Speaking of which, if you are an Uber, Lyft driver, or delivery driver and you need better insurance, there's a new insurance program called Buckle Up, and they're helping drivers get set up with new policies that is specifically geared towards gig workers, okay? It's not like a Geico or a farmer's insurance. This is Buckle Up, like they're for rideshare and food delivery drivers, and it replaces your old insurance. So it's not an add-on, it's just like, it's gonna take place of it and cover you while you're doing rides. So check out the link below. They're actually giving drivers $20 just to get a free quote. And yeah, check that link out. Okay, so here we have it, my friends. This is very interesting. I got this email from Uber. Look at this. It says this week, 5 trips in Orange County gets you an extra $200. This is an email I just got from Uber. Uber's gonna pay me $40 ride per ride bonus. This is on top of it. He says, Uber, you can make extra money with promotions this week. We're offering a promotion that may help you earn more if you choose to drive this week. This is not fake, guys. This is not fake news. Fake news. This is real news, okay? As real as CNN gets. This offer is in addition to any other promotions or Fox News, depending on your political affiliation. This offer is in addition to any other promotions you may be eligible for. So it's on top of it, guys. 5 trips make extra $200. So that was that. And then I also got this other offer from this one. Earn extra cash this weekend. You can unlock extra earnings this weekend. I got this notification as well. Sorry, I'm in my guest bedroom right now. This is my office. I'm trying to set it up, but yeah. But let's select a quest before setting out. So 40 trips, $50. I believe that's a bonus, right? Yeah, you could earn extra this weekend. Decide how, stop calling me. Decide how much I think I actually need to answer that. Decide how much you drive and choose a quest that fits your schedule. Take a look at some of your quest options for this weekend. So that's that. Hold on, let me answer this call really quick. Hello? Yes. Oh, hey, sorry, I'm in a meeting right now. Could I call you back later? Okay. In like a couple hours, if you're free.
No, that's fine. I'll let you reach out, Dylan, and then we can go from there. If I'm in a meeting or anything, I'll just get back to you as soon as possible.
Awesome, thank you. All right, take care. You too. Sorry. That was to build a pool in my backyard, but I think it's gonna cost like $300,000, so I'm definitely not doing that right now. Okay, 50 trips, $115. So, or 10 plus 10 trips is an extra 65. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys getting these offers? Honestly, it seems pretty good to me, but I want to see, would you guys take these trips, and what kind of trips or quest bonuses are you getting? All right, that's the update for today. Let me know your thoughts on this and sign up for Buckle Up Insurance using my link below to get that special offer. Bye now.